Hey friends, Leo here. I've spent over 20 years building notebooks and stationery for retailers and brands across the US, Europe, and APAC. Today, we're talking about a product that used to be nice to have, and in 2025 is simply smart business. Recycled notebooks, how to spec them, prove them, and make them sell. By the end of this short episode, you'll have a checklist you can paste into your RFQ, plus a quick way to de-risk your buy and lift your ESG story. Why recycled notebooks now? 2 reasons: performance, parity, and procurement proof. Modern de-inking and popping mean recycled sheets match virgin paper for brightness, smoothness, and printability. Your end user won't notice a difference except in the story you can tell. On the procurement side, recycled content reduces forest pressure, water, and energy use, and helps you pass retailer sustainability screens without drama. Bottom line, it's lower risk, higher trust, often for only a few cents more per unit. What counts as recycled? Aim for PCR, post-consumer recycled fiber. That's paper diverted from landfill and repulped. Fibers can typically be reused 5 to 7 times. If you're building a wider eco line, consider tree-free options: bamboo, hemp, sugarcane, bagasse, and special substrates like stone paper for waterproof or field use. For covers, think recycled kraft, cork, rPET, vegan leather, or even plantable seed paper. Pair with soy or vegetable inks and water-based coatings to keep the footprint small. Certifications. Buyers actually check. Here's the shortlist that moves approvals: FSC FM, COC, or FSC recycled, verified, traceable fiber. Recycled content percent. Prioritize high PCR and get it on your spec sheet. ISO 9001, ISO 14001, quality plus environmental management. Blue Angel, cradle to cradle, where relevant. Ask suppliers for certificate scope, site, validity, latest audit findings with closures, and lot-level paper documents tied to your job. That's how you keep compliance teams happy. Quality and myth-busting. Concern about bleed-through, rough texture, or binding issues. With the right basis weight and finish, recycled stock writes smoothly, holds ink, and binds like a champ. Don't rely on swatches. Request production-grade samples with your cover finish and binding method to validate lamination, print density, and durability. The buyer checklist. Copy, paste this. Use case: daily office, student, gifting, private label retail. Paper spec: basis, weight, opacity, smoothness, target, PCR percent. Cover and binding: recycled, kraft, cork, rPET versus classic, spiral, wire, lay flat, or perfect. Compliance: FSC, REACH, Prop 65, CPSIA, as your channel requires. Customization: brand inserts, planners, dot grid, foil, deboss, elastic, pockets, pilot, and proof. 5 7-day samples. Run, smear, bleed, rub, and drop tests before PO. This is how you turn a green claim into a documented specification that sells through internal review. Program wins and cost reality. Recycled notebooks deliver measurable ESG, retailer acceptance, and modern quality with minimal cost trade-offs, thanks to better supply and scale. You gain a credible brand story for reports and tenders, and your merchandising team gets products that move. How we support buyers. At Lion Paper Products, we run China and Cambodia plants, plus a Korea partner under ISO 9001, FSC, SMETA, BSCI with Heidelberg print, auto lamination, spiral, foiling, die cut, and recorded QC. We provide recycled content proofs, certificate packs, and 5 7-day custom prototypes so you can validate fast and buy with confidence. Recycled notebooks aren't a compromise. They are a smarter default. Anchor your line on verified recycled fiber, validate with a quick pilot, and scale with a document-ready partner. If you want a tailored spec and sample plan, reach me. WhatsApp +8 6137 50756354. I'm Leo, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next build session.